What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another edition of the AWS Weekly Recap. I'm your host, Keidrick Pettaway. Let's jump right in. This update is for news of the week of 2/20/2025. So first up in the compute space, AWS has allows you to dynamically reconfigure your AWS outpost capacity using capacity tests. So for those that don't know, outpost basically allows you to run AWS services in your local on-premises data center. So this is just giving you the ability to extend the capacity on which you can run or what hardware is supported from AWS. So view existing outpost capacity configuration. Outpost users now have visibility into capacity configurations at both an instance, family, and host level. So this would be your EC2 instances, and then your VMware or whatever you're using for virtual servers or virtualization in your stack. So this is good news. So I'll definitely leave the link below this video for that. Next up in news is AWS CloudTrail network activity events for VPC endpoints now GA or generally available. So what this update does is it allows you to monitor your VPC traffic at a more granular level. And this is big for AWS and CloudTrail because historically you wouldn't have this level of granularity into being able to see all the traffic and the events that occur on your AWS network. So let's just take a look at some of the benefits that they are touting here. So comprehensive visibility, external credential detection, data acceleration prevention, and enhanced security monitoring. So just to name a few, and then it goes on to show you what the configuration looks like for that. So I'm planning on playing with this myself. So let's see what comes out of that. Up next in news is AWS has introduced what they call AWS Trust Center, and these are basically the best practices that AWS uses in securing your network and your data as it sits on the AWS stack. So this is another good thing here. Basically, you're building on that foundation of trust that you already have within AWS, but this just takes it a step further so you can actually have a purview into what they're actually doing to support, be able to support your infrastructure on their ecosystem or platform. So I'll leave the link below for this as well. And then a couple more things in the .NET news space. They have announced that AWS is going to be integrating with ASP, not ASP, but .NET Aspire. And the goal with Aspire is to be able to run your local development, but have it ready for the cloud. So cloud native, you actually get to interact with the AWS services right from your local machine. So I think this is a big win for the .NET space and for AWS. So and if you're running your workloads in .NET and had questions about being able to support it, AWS is constantly coming out with new stuff to help evangelize the use of .NET on AWS. So all good things. I'll definitely be looking at this myself as well. And then finally, I believe it was this past Thursday, AWS had the 2025 Developer Day. So it was a 4-hour show that basically tells you some of the new things coming out for developers on AWS. So I've watched about maybe the first 30 minutes of it. I plan to do a follow-up video after I've had a chance to watch. I'm not going to say I'm going to watch all 4 hours of it, but at least 3/4 of it. So just know that that's coming. So as always, if this video has been helpful, please share, like, and subscribe. Otherwise, I will chat with you guys later. Thanks.